Hello everyone, welcome to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanyu. In this video, we are going to learn about why square videos and how to make square videos using Wonderchef Filmora. Hello guys, welcome everyone to Social Freelancers. Welcome everyone to Social Freelancer. Today I'm going to talk about this topic is about. My name is Abhimanyu. My name is Abhimanyu. See, nowadays square videos perform very well than landscape videos. Square videos get 30 to 35% more video views than landscape video and 80 to 100% engagement in the videos. And also square videos can grab the audience attention. Whenever it appears in the user's feed, it stands out as a big visual draw. See, 1:1 aspect ratio works well in all platforms. 1:1 means that is the aspect ratio of square videos, whereas the landscape videos aspect ratio is 16:9 and vertical videos aspect ratio is 9:16. So if you're going to export a video in vertical format, you can check the aspect ratio first, whether the video is in 9:16 or not. And it is also very easy to watch the videos just by holding the phone, especially if the video is in square and vertical format. And this square and vertical format works well in Instagram. Vertical videos also performs very well in Snapchat. See, I'm not good in Snapchat, but as long as the vertical videos are available in Snapchat, the users and their videos will definitely get engagement. And if you want to know how to make a video in 9:16, that means a vertical video, just leave a comment below. I will definitely get back to you. But just for the moment, I will teach you how to make a video in square format. Let me open my laptop and I will show you how to do it.
Okay guys, so I will show how to make a video in square shape. The first step is drag a video into your timeline. Which video should I take? Okay, let me select this one. Fine. Okay, I selected one video and I will drag it into my timeline. Okay, I have selected one video and I will drag it to my timeline. The next step is go to export. See, right now the video dimension is a 1920 into 1080p. You have to change it into square shape. Remember, the square video dimension is 1080 into 1080. Okay, go to settings. Here you can see the resolution. Okay, click resolution. The problem is here you cannot see 1080 into 1080, right? What you have to do is go to custom, select 1080 into 1080. Okay, then click OK. After that, click export. Okay, after exporting, the video will be in square size. That is the first method. And the second step is go to file, open new project, but open the new project in 1:1. The square videos aspect ratio is 1:1. I will select 1:1. The same process, I will drag one video into the timeline. I suggest you to select this method to make a video in square shape, because while exporting you don't have to change the video dimension and all. Video size will be in 1080 into 1080 itself, so there's no need for changing. Okay, I will show that. Export. See here, the video resolution is already in 1080 into 1080. Okay, this is the second step and I suggest you to do this method. It is the easy and the fast method to make the video square. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Cheers guys.
Okay guys, if you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you will get notification from all my videos, so that we will keep in touch. Cheers guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.